Hey, so I wanted to show you what my process is for removing a review, specifically on Airbnb, or disputing it to be removed, I should say. While it can be difficult and you can't just get any review removed, there are a variety of reasons that a guest might leave a review that actually could go against Airbnb's terms and conditions. And if you can prove that and you know, formatted in the correct way to Airbnb specifically, you have a much better chance of getting that review removed. So just wanted to show you a real life example on my end of how I approach it. So the harder and harder it's got to have reviews that have been left removed, specifically in the last 6 months. Airbnb has really cracked down for a variety of reasons. So you have to attack this a very strategic way. So I utilize ChatGPT because why not here? And I have it do some work for me, but I've built out a prompt and I ask it very specific things. And I'll show you kind of this whole process here. So let's say you have the review, excuse me, that was left, and we want that removed. Here's my process. So I'm going to utilize ChatGPT, and I have this all built out. I'm just going to copy and paste it. But here is the prompt right here. So you are an Airbnb host who just received a negative review that needs to be removed from the platform. In order to do this, you need to submit a dispute stating why the review goes against the Airbnb reviews, terms, and conditions. Write this like you're a legal counsel, almost like a lawyer would talk. Then I have, here is the review left by the guest. Then you go ahead and copy and paste the review right here. Below are some important facts about the situation. Then I go ahead and copy and paste the guest's name, the dates in which the guest stayed, and the confirmation code. This confirmation code ties them back right to your exact stay. And then any details that I personally need to add about the stay. So I kind of explain here what happened, what my end looked like. Then I went ahead, here is the link to the Airbnb's terms of service. I linked that right here. And then I want you to come up with every reason to dispel the review below based on the violations, actually review above, based on the violations according to the link above. Write it like a legal notice, and you're a lawyer. So I go ahead and copy and paste this whole thing. Went over to ChatGPT, and I go ahead and plug this prompt in, and this is what it spit back out to me. A very well-crafted, almost legal-like dispute. So then I go ahead and I take out some of it, read it over. I take out a couple things that maybe don't apply. It's not always perfect, but this is a great start. And it just made the argument for me, directly, relating to pulling things out of their terms of service. So then let's go over to Airbnb support. Then I went ahead and opened a support chat with Airbnb specifically. And I actually then submitted this. And so then that's how you start the review dispute process. And then Airbnb is going to get back to you. My suggestion here actually is to, if it does get declined, do this 3 or 4 times. I have disputed reviews up to 4 times, and on the 4th time got it removed. And that's because it's a different person each time. But this process is repeatable. But if you need, I can go ahead and send you this prompt as well within here. But this is just a copy and paste right here. So